Hello, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to learn about the designing a class for teenagers and adults topic around the world represented by Marlene Patricia Oliva Garcia. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the topic around the world and the simple present. Okay, the teacher is Marlene Patricia Oliva Garcia, institution Alejandro de Humboldt National Institute, student age 15 and 18 years old, amount of students 30 students, date 29 of November of 2025, time 16 minutes. Level sections A1, A2. General objective. By the end of this lesson, students will recognize and describe countries and nationalities using the simple present tense to tell about cultural facts from different parts of the world. Specific objectives. The number one is students will be able to identify at least six countries and nationalities when present through images and a word map with 80% accuracy. Students will produce five simple present sentences about cultural habits from different countries using the correct subject verb agreement. Students will orally share information about a country in pairs using the structure people and it, celebrate, speak for at least 30 seconds. Language function. Students will describe countries and nationalities and identify cultural habits using simple present sentence. They will also ask and answer questions about cultural practice and share oral information in pairs. Structures we use in this lesson plan people plus country plus verb base form nationality plus birth plus complement. Brazilians plays soccer. Do people in plus country plus verb. Simple present rules. Verb in base form at for a third person singular. He, she, it. Nationalities. Okay, we have the K vocabulary. This is the countries Japan, Mexico, Egypt, Brazil, Italy, Canada, China, United States, nationalities Japanese, Mexican, Egyptian, Brazilian, Italian, Canadian, Chinese, American, cultural item, eat, celebrate, speak, drink, live, play, food, traditions, and tradition language. Okay, we have the word up. Class, look at this word map. We have different countries around the world. And let me ask you, where are we from? We are from El Salvador. Yes, we are from El Salvador. Good, good question. What countries do you know? Do you know? We have some flags here. We have the countries. Look at these pictures. What countries it is? Okay, let me show you the activity, the interactive activity. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay, we need to choose the correct answer. Okay, this flags, this is Japan, this is El Salvador, or this is Mexico. Okay, I'm going to write Mexico is the correct answer. Okay, we have this flag. What country is this? This is Canada, this is Guatemala, or this is Peru. This is China. Okay, China is the correct answer. Okay, this is United States. What country is this? Maybe Mexico or Japan? No, the correct answer is Canada. Okay. Then when you finish, we need to know our qualification. Okay. Let's continue with the presentation. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, please. Okay, we need to continue with the next. Okay, we have the presentation. Class, look at the world map. Today we will learn about the different countries and what people do there. Okay, we have the flag from Brazil, we have the flag from United States, we have the flag again from Mexico, and we have the flag from Japan. Okay, we need to see the activity. Give me 1 second, please. Okay, and we have this is okay. What is their correct questions? This is the flag from United States. No, this is Brazil. This is the flag from Korea. No, this is United States. Okay, guys. We have this flag. It's from Peru or El Salvador. This is Mexico. Okay. This is the flag from China, Japan, or Korea. The correct answer is Japan. Okay? Okay. Let's continue with the okay. Okay. We need to choose the correct answer for which country corresponds to each tradition. Okay? In the first, imagine. Okay. Look at this picture. This is Japan. Okay. People in Japan eat sushi. People in Japan eat pupusas. The correct answer is people in Japan eat sushi. Is the correct answer for the imagined number 4. Okay. People in United States celebrate 4th July. Is this one the correct answer? The number 1, 2, 3, or 4? Is the number 1? Yes. Okay. We have the Mexican people. People from Mexico celebrate Dia de los Muertos. What is the correct? Imagine. Of course, is the number 3. Okay. People in Brazil play soccer. Is the correct imagine number 1, 2, 3, or 4? Is the number 2. Okay, it's correct. Okay, let me show you the live worksheet. Okay, people in Japan eat sushi. Mm, people in Mexico celebrate Dia de los Muertos. People in United States celebrate 4th, 4th, 4th July. And people in Brazil play soccer. Okay, we continue with the next activity. Okay, practice activity number 1, matching passport stamps. Control practice. Students need to choose the correct country with the corresponding phrase. Okay, okay. Let's learn how to describe cultural habits with the simple present tense. Repeat after me. People in Japan eat sushi. People in Italy eat pasta. Mexicans celebrate Dia de los Muertos. People in Brazil play soccer. People in Egypt visit pyramids. People in Canada play hockey. Okay, we need to choose the correct country with the corresponding phrase. Okay, people in Japan speak Arabic? No. People in Japan eat sushi? Yes, is the correct answer. Italy. People in Italy eat pasta? People in Italy speak Spanish? The correct answer is people in Italy eat pasta. Mexico. People in Mexico speak French. People in Mexico celebrate Dia de los Muertos. The correct answer is people in Mexico celebrate Dia de los Muertos. Okay, Brazil. People in Brazil speak English now. They speak Portuguese. People in Brazil play soccer. Yes, they play soccer. Okay. Egypt. People in Egypt speak Arabic. People in Egypt drink horchata. People in Egypt speak Arabic. Okay. Canada. People in Canada eat atole de lote. People in Canada like poke. Okay. The correct answer is people in Canada like hockey. Okay. Let me continue with the presentation. Okay, the practice number 2. Students interacted using simple present question about cultures. How to do it? Give a student a simple chart like question names, place names. Okay, okay. For our second practice, students do an activity called find someone who. Imagine each student has a life like this. Okay, students walk around the classroom asking each other, "Do people in Brazil play soccer?" Um, Classmates, yes they do, or no then they don't. Okay, let me show you the interactive activity again. Okay, guys, do people in China drink tea? Yes, they do. Or yes, they don't. The correct answer is no. Yes, no, they don't. Okay, they don't. Okay. Do Mexicans celebrate Dia de los Muertos? Is correct? Yes. Okay. Yes, they do. Okay. Do Brazilians play soccer? Yes, they do. Is the correct answer. Okay, let's continue with the presentation. Let's continue with the presentation. Okay. We have the production. This activity, the skill is speaking plus pronunciation. The objective is students use full sentence about countries and cultures. Okay, how to do it? The students work in pairs. Each pair chooses a country for the lesson. They prepare three, three or four simple present sentences using the pattern learned. Examples: people in Japan eat sushi. They imagine The imagine number one is correct? No. The correct is the imagine number four. Yeah. Okay. The example number two. People in Italy eat pasta. What is the correct imagine? Is the imagine number three. Okay. People in Egypt speak Arabic. What is the correct imagine? Is the number two. People in El Salvador drink atol de lote. Okay, is the correct in the imagine number one. Okay. Okay. Then we finish with the warm up. To finish, we reflect on the lesson I asked. What countries did we learn about today? Student answer: Japan, Italy, Mexico, Brazil, Egypt, and Canada. Yes, of course. And then I ask, what do people do in countries do? People in Japan eat sushi. People in Brazil play soccer. Mexicans celebrate Dia de los Muertos. People in Italy eat pasta. People in United States celebrate 4th of July. This helps them remember vocabulary and simple present structure. Assessment. Teacher observation during speaking activities. Accuracy in matching worksheet. Final oral presentation using aerobic checklist with immediate feedback. Okay, bibliography. We have the bibliography. The materials we use in this lesson plan is world map, country cards, matching passport worksheets, Campbell slides, countries, flags, food traditions, speakers, markers, and whiteboard. Okay? Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video lesson plan. I hope you learn a lot. Have a nice night.